Hello, I'm Jesse Yang, a senior .NET developer with over 15 years of experience in Microsoft .NET technology development. In today's video, I will guide you through the process of creating a web API project by using ASP.NET Core, .NET 8, and the Entity Framework Core. The video purpose is explore practical implementation of ASP.NET Core, .NET 8, and Entity Framework Core for efficient API development. Construct and demo a partial functional BookServicesAPI project from the ground up. Gain hands-on experience with key features and best practice. The target audience, .NET developer with interest in ASP.NET Core, .NET 8, and Entity Core. Developers seeking hands-on experience in building RESTful APIs. Individuals aiming to enhance their API development knowledge and skill. The software requirements. My operating system is Windows 11 Professional. IDE is Microsoft Video Studio Community 2020. Program language C#. Database SQL Server 2020 with Management Studio 19.1. Now let's get started to create the project. First, let me launch the Visual Studio 2020, then create a new project. I select create a new project. Then select ASP.NET Core Web API. Then select ASP.NET Core Web API. Then click Next. Enter my project name. I call it Books Services API. Okay. Then next, I select the .NET 8, no authenticated type. Okay, current everything is okay. And we create. The window system asked me to install the doc. I don't need it so far. Let me close it. Let me build it. Then select IIS Express. Then run the application. Okay. This is Swagger. So far this project already created. Let me close it. So slide 4, we need to install Entity Framework package. So far, we need a list the 6 software we need installed. Let me open the tool, navigate package manager, select, then select the manager, navigate package for solution. Then I can type one by one type. Okay. Let me first check what kind of software we already installed in the package. Okay, this we already. Okay, let me check. Okay, this already a different version. I can update it. So let me first install the let me install this. So click the browse. Let me install the Microsoft SP Netcore Open AI. Okay, let me click this, click project, then install it. Accept. Okay. Second Microsoft Core Force version 2002. Okay. Microsoft Entity. Microsoft Entity. Entity Framework. SQL Server 8.0 is correct. Okay, installed. Next is design. Design. Select install. Then to use. Let me check. Microsoft Core. Okay. The Open API, framework design, SQL Server, tools. Okay. Already done. We can build. Okay. Slide 5. We need to create a model and define the entity manually. This time I just create two entity, authors and the books. So I need a create a folder. Okay. Let me create a folder. Add a new folder. You have models. On the new models, you can add a new item. We call the authors. You change authors. Authors. Let me copy some existing file. We need using the reference. Then we can create some attribute. Okay. The attribute will have the name, gender, address, city, state, zip code, phone number, and the email address. Okay. For the authors, here we're using key, right? We're using the annotation key. This required maximum. We define maximum length. Maximum length is 1. Okay. Then this is done. Okay, we can save. Then create a new item. Then close as a reference. And we add the attribute, entity attribute. Okay. We have ID, the title, ISBN, and the year, price, yuan, also ID. Okay. So far, so good. Let me save. So next step, we will create a database context. We create a folder first, then create a class, book API context that inherited from DB context. This class represents your database context, include DB set property for each entity you want to persist. Okay, let me first create the folder. We call data folder. Then add new item. We call we forget it. Framework. Okay. Let me first put some reference. Then copy the code. Okay, here we need inherit the DB context. Then just copy the file, copy the code. Duplicate. Okay, this is okay. Here you can see we just using the book web API context option. Then we add a DB set author and book. This is like entity. The purpose will connect to database. Okay, slide 7. Configure connection string for entity framework. We can use in the APP setting, the JSON, we created the database connection. Okay, let me copy this. This is APP setting file, JSON file. We just copy here. Okay, I created our database is BookServices. Okay, here is something wrong. Yeah. User ID and the password is because we never using the security. just anonymous to access database. So we don't need a user ID and the password. Okay, save it. Okay, the 8 register DB context in the program.cs. So we can first see the program CS. Yeah, this is automatically created by system, but we need configure the connection from here. So first things I need install reference, add a reference. Add a reference. Yes. Yes. Okay. Add a reference. Then I need configure the DB context. Configure DB context from here. After this, we can see this is the get connection, right? Build a service, add a DB context. This is our DB context. This connection string is my database connection. This connects the string name we created from the this file, right? My database connection, this name. Okay. So after that, this is P modules, book. Book module. Books SP data. Okay, duplicate. Duplicate data. Data NSP using data already in there. SP data. Books. Data. Okay. Module. SP module. Modules. Modules. Okay. Build it. Okay, so far so good. config we already registered DB context in the program file in here, right? We just set up the connection string in here. So from this file, they can look at the or access our database. Okay. So next step, we need to run the migration. Okay. First, let me see we are database within there. We can check database. We call database is services, book services. We can see here, book services. Yeah, we are not the author database. We are not a book database, right? Not book database. We can refresh. Then expand. No, nothing. Okay. So we need migration. Migration data connection. From here, we need, first migration. Then we update the database. Okay. So currently we are not migration folder. After I using migration, there will automatically got, okay, from here, let me using the .NET EF migrations and initial grid. Okay. We can see this succeeded, right? This command succeeded. She automatically created the migration folder and file. Using this file, system using this file, then transfer the data into database. Okay, create a two table. Okay, we can see here is create a table, right? Create a table. This is property or attribute. This is authors table. This is books table, right? So let me continue to using this. Okay. .NET EF database update. So we will create the table. Okay. So let me do like this. .NET EF database update. Press. Okay, we got some error. Yeah. The reason is global. We can search this. Global. Okay. Invariant. We can search global invariant. Global invariant. Cannot find it. Let me direct you to the folder. Services, book services. This is a project file. Let me open it with familiar global. Relation is false, is correct. Global. Home value. Global organization. Maybe I need to install more software. Let me check. Install another software. See what happens. studies. Okay. Install it. Host it. Let me install the content developers. Let me install this design. This one. This hosting depth. Click the depth. Check. Whether this. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. Then okay. Then let me see whether it work. Let me check. I install whole software. Let me update database update. Okay. 그다음에 자 EF database update. Nobody. Not this. Nobody issue. Okay, let me check. Let me check update. No update. Update is done. In restart. Okay. check this again. Database update. So in case you get error, you the fix using invalid. Oh, okay, let me check in the CS. Okay. Oh, here. Okay, I found it. Here we need in the book services API project file, we need to update this to false. This should work. Okay. Then we try again. So update .NET if database update. Okay, and okay, success. Perfect. So we can check the database is already transferred from the entity to database. Let me check database. Okay, we have the book services database. Before we are not author book table in here, right? So currently we refresh, then extend, we found the data in there. Okay, table in there. You can see the table structure. Okay, it's good. Book. Okay, book in here. Book. Okay, but no data current. Current no data, right? Empty. Okay, let me transfer data from the table. From book services, let me change the data. Insert into author. Insert author. No, insert into. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Insert into. Ramos. No. Ramos. Service. Insert into book service. Books. Services. Book services from book services S. Book service. We have book service data. Let me insert and see what happened. Title. First we insert this from service author. Okay, good. Insert title. Book. Mhm. Okay, good. So then we can select the data from book services database, book service from here. Book services. Book services. Okay, we got data. Okay, this is our author data. This is book data. So in this situation, after create, we need a create a controller. Okay, currently we need a controller. We already finished the data migration. Okay, let me automatically create the controller. In the controller folder, I right click, add the controller, then select new scaffolded item, then select the API, select the API controller with actions using entity framework. Then click add. In the model class, select model. We first select the author model. Okay. We select this entity. DB context like database. Okay, connection. This we are create. Let me create. Okay, create this author controller. Create include. We can check include get author get author by ID. Then update author. Put means update author. Then post means add a new author. Then delete author. Okay, whole function there. Okay. Then we create another book controller. Same thing. Already selected. We just add. We can using book add. Okay, we can check book controller. Automatic create the get whole book, get by ID, return, right? Then the put update, then add a new one. Add a new one. Save. Okay, add a book, right? Then delete the book. Or function that. Let me review this project. Okay, successful. So we can check next step is controller. We already created, right? We check each controller include created, read, update, delete. Okay. So insert test data already inserted to this table. So next step, we need to test using test web API using Swagger UI or Postman. Okay. The Swagger is built-in the software in this project. Okay, when we create web project, the whole code automatically set up. So we don't need to do anything. We just build and run this project. After build, let me run the project. Okay, see this interface, right? This UI. Okay, we can get author. Let me select author, get author. We click here, then try out, then execute. This will get the whole user, a whole authors. See, success 200 it means success response. Okay, we can see the whole data in here. Okay, we test. Then we can test 11. Okay, we can test the different canceled. Okay, let me get by ID. We can test try ID 11. Okay, we got 11 data, right? It's correct. Or then we copy this, we update. Oh, go to next put. Put means update. Then I try. Then I copy to here. Then I put the 11 here. Then I update Westland City. Okay, let's Westland. Let me check the Novi. We change this Novi. Okay. Then let me check. Okay, first table. Table data Novi. Okay, 11 is Westland. Okay, here Westland, right? Westland. Okay, after Novi, whether the database change, we can execute. Okay, 204 is a success means success. Here is Novi, right? Change it. So we can check the table whether it's table update. See, Novi, change it, right? 11. Okay. So let me get some. We can create a new one. Let me check whether I can. Okay, here, test data, post. We can add some author for post. Okay, let me copy this data. Copy. Go to post. Okay, here. Post, try. We have copy here. Because ID is automatically created, we don't need ID. We just need this. Yeah. This new one. We can check Ruby Smith. We can check will the table have this data. Ruby. Okay, this also we are not Ruby, right? In here is 12. Okay, after I create, whether we can insert the data. Let me try this. Name. Okay, I click. All success. See, Ruby 13. right? The ID before just 12, 13. Louis Smith. Okay, let me check table. Table data already in there. Oh, perfect. Ruby Smith already inserted into database. Okay. So next test, I will delete this 13, right? Delete. We can test whether we can delete this data. Join. Okay, delete from here. Let me close here. Cancel. Okay. Okay. Let me delete. The ID is try test ID is 13. Whether we can delete. Okay. To correct the data success, right? Success 200. Delete. The data already gone. Let me check the data, the table. Okay. Delete automatically. So far, the project already created. The test is successful. Just one table. Okay, we can test another table because maybe the time limit, right? So we just we summary this demo. Okay, this demo show you how to create a ASP.NET Core Web API project with .NET A Entity Framework Core, right? How to insert Entity Framework Core packages, how to create models, and defining the entity manually, how to create a database context, how to configure connection string for entity framework, how to migrate, how to use DB context to create controller. Okay, so with this step, your .NET Web API project should be configured to use the entity framework core to connect the database and successfully complete according to your specific project requirements. Okay. So additional future plans. Next step, I will create a book Angular UI project using Angular 15.2.8 to consume the BookServicesAPI, API, Web API endpoints. Add authentication and authorization to book services project. Add a robust error handler to the book service project. I encourage developer viewer to explore further and build up the foundation. Hope this demo can help you and welcome to give me feedback to enhance the content. Thanks.